In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import existing projects into Firebase Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing data set into your Firebase real-time database using a simple JSON import, all from the Firebase console. First, open the Firebase console in your browser and head to the project you want to work with. You'll land on the project overview. On the left sidebar, look for the Build section. This is where Firebase groups your app building tools. Click Build and then choose Real-Time Database. We'll be importing data directly into this database, so make sure you're in the correct project before moving on. Inside Real-Time Database, switch to the Data tab. This tab shows the live data tree for your database. At the top of this tab, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click that menu to reveal additional actions and then select Import JSON. Importing via JSON is the recommended way to bring in structured data that mirrors the real-time database's key value tree. You'll now see the import dialog. You have two options here. If your JSON file is handy, you can drag and drop it right into the window to preview it. Alternatively, click Browse, locate your JSON file on your computer, select it, and then click Open. Either approach loads the file so Firebase can validate the format before proceeding. Before you press import, a couple of quick tips to help you avoid surprises. Ensure your file is valid JSON, proper braces, correct commas, and quoted keys. Also remember that the import happens at the path you're currently viewing in the Data tab. If you're at the root, the incoming content can overwrite keys at the root level with the same names. If you only want to update a specific branch, navigate to that node first, then start the import from there. It's also wise to be aware of your database rules. The import respects your current security rules, so read access isn't required, but incompatible write rules could block the operation. Once your file is loaded and you're confident you're at the right path, click Import. Firebase will process the file and populate the data tree. Larger files may take a moment, so give it a bit of time. When it finishes, you should see your keys and values appear in the data view immediately. If anything looks off, verify your JSON structure and the path you imported into, then repeat the import with the corrected file. That's it. Your existing project data is now in Firebase's real-time database, ready for your app to use.